Hi, my name is Justin Domer, and I'm a product manager here at ClearEdge 3D. Today, we're really excited to announce the release of Verity 192. As you know, Verity is used for construction verification to take your scan data from in the field and compare that to the design model of your building. In this release, we have support for Navisworks 2022, new licensing options that include network licensing as well as perpetual licenses, PDF reports, as well as new combined reports for both HTML and PDF, where we can put everything we've done so far into a single report, and finally, a significant performance improvement for our analysis. We're able to load in full resolution scans from a Leica P20, and with Verity 1.0, which we released in 2017, the analysis that we ran in about 23 minutes, and running that same exact data set, the same exact scan data, full resolution, we were able to actually bring that number down with multi-threading, as well as a lot of other performance improvements that we made in the backside to bring that analysis to around 3 minutes. So it's a significant improvement in our analysis times, which hopefully will make significant improvements in the overall workflow for using Verity. The reason that we've worked so hard on the analysis improvement times is because we know that that's so important for users to increase how quickly they can get results from the field. That's why we're doing it, and that's why we're continuing to make improvements to get that real-time information as fast as possible so that when you find an issue in the field, you're able to make good decisions on that, finding issues before they become expensive problems. For current users, you can download the most recent version of Verity 192 in the link below or on our website at our updates page. If you haven't tried Verity before or you've tried it in the past, fill out the form for a demo. We're really excited to release Verity 192 and keep an eye out for some exciting news on the horizon.